Hey crafty sis, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is how to create these timeless gift boxes from start to finish. Let's get started. First things first, you want to visit canvasbling.com to be able to grab your box template. Now you can either get this as a blank template or you can get it as one of the pre-made designs to be able to use. As an example, I'm going to use the Dad article box template to show you how easy it is to edit these. Once you snag your template, you'll automatically get a link to Canva to be able to make your edits. With these, you could literally do things like change the names, change the pictures around, however you deem fit to edit, you're able to do, just as you see me doing here for this design. Once you're done making all of your edits, all you have to do is download and print. This is how it looks once everything is printed. You should have the top of your box design as well as the sides. The next step is to cut it out to make sure you get rid of all of the excess white borders, because all you want to do is have your designs just as you see me doing here. This step is important because you want to make sure that it fits on your box, so just cut out the designs only. Another thing that I did want to mention is to make sure that you print the sides out twice, because the template only comes with one page, but of course you want to print out two because you have 4 sides to include. Once everything is cut, you should end up with something like this. So you end up with 5 different pieces to add to your box. Here is the blank box. Now I am going to link in the description where you can find these exact boxes to make sure that your template fits perfectly. So now I'm just going to flip the box around to be able to start with the top first. Here I'm just taking the top layer of my design and I'm going to peel the top, but not all the way. You want to peel the entire top portion, but just slightly, maybe about an inch or 1.5 inches. And then you're going to fold back the backing of the paper. And this is a specific reason why I'm doing this. You'll see in a minute. Once you lay it down flat and make sure that all of the measurements line up perfectly. Once you're satisfied with your positioning, it's okay now to flatten it out. So you're gonna flatten and smooth the top out first, just as you see me doing right here. Next, you're gonna go in underneath and you're gonna start to peel back that layer. Now, this is gonna help you to keep it smooth so that there's no air bubbles and things like that on the surface of your box. So make sure you peel slowly while you're smoothing out as well. You could also use a squeegee for this step, but I'm just using my hand to smooth it out, which works perfectly fine too. So you should end up with something just like this. This is the top of the box complete. Now I'm just going to lift the box up to double check to make sure which part is the front of the box and which part is the side of the box, because you want to make sure that you put your sticker where you want it to go. In this case, I'm going to put the barcode side on the front of the box. So that's why I lifted it, just to make sure that I was putting it on the right side. So I have my side pieces as well as the front piece. At this point, you're going to repeat the same exact steps, making sure that you peeled only about 1 inch. Place it down, smooth it out, pull it from the bottom, and repeat 3 more times for all sides of the boxes. I'm just going to speed up the video a little bit while I show you the steps, because at this point, you're just repeating the same steps. I just want to emphasize that as you're laying these steps down or these pieces down for the box, make sure that everything is centered and everything has the right amount of space in between. So as you can see, there's a little bit of white of the box that's showing. Make sure that you're putting everything straight so that it looks good in the end. Once you're done laying all of the pieces of the box, you should end up with something like this. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. Everything looks nice and straight. Now I'm just going to assemble my box. So I'm just going to open the box up to start to squeeze the sides. So everywhere that has a crease, you want to make sure that you press down firmly to give the box structure. For the bottom portion here, you want to make sure that you put the parts with the slits down inward. That way you can easily close the box as you see me doing here. And voila, a completed custom box. What I love the most about these boxes is that they can be completed for any and every celebration. As you can see, these were created for Father's Day or to celebrate a dad in general. But again, these boxes can be used for any and everything. I'm just going to show you some of the different designs that we have currently. This one is our Dope Black Dad, super cute. Again, you can find this in our template library. I'm going to link it down below. Some ideas with filling the boxes can be stuff like a tool set, a shirt and tie, literally a beard kit. Whatever you want to fit in here, you can, because it's so spacious on the inside. Again, here are some of the other designs. Everything is fully editable via Canva. Once you get your download, you're able to go in, make any changes you'd like. If you want to change things around and you don't want it to say number one dad and you want it to say the person's name, you can do that. Here's an example of just how much could fit on the inside of these boxes. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. Comment below, what would you use these boxes for? Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next tutorial.